How's it, guys? I just quickly want to share with you my unboxing experience. FuelApp has sent me a box full of supplements. I'm really excited. I don't have anything left, so whatever's in this box is really gonna go a long way. Let me show you the box from FuelApp. Let's see. Let's open it. Got a nice little card from FuelApp. Very nice of them. Pay attention to detail. Also wrote me a little something. Frederick, welcome to the FuelApp family. We hope the supplements in this box helps you train and recover optimally. Here's the strong sessions and great recovery. FuelApp. Thank you for letting us fuel your journey. That's very nice. Not a lot of people do that. Attention to detail. We got this. Very important, protects your supplements. So I'll definitely put that one side. Let's see. I don't know what to start with. This all looks amazing. Okay, let's start with this. A reactor. So I can probably guarantee you there's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't used yet because I don't buy a lot of supplements. It's really expensive, so I'm really excited. But let me show you a reactor. So I'm just going to read you a few things from here, what it does and what it helps for. It promotes increased workout intensity, promotes increased explosive power and strength, potent anabolic activator. And another interesting fact is powerful creatine transporter and anabolic activator. So this really seems like it's going to help me a lot. Gives you all the instructions here. It's like all the other stuff, but you know, it's quite detailed. It's a lot of things here. Tells you about your loading phase, your maintenance phase. So this is really something nice that I will start using immediately. As you can see, that's one of them.